make a risky electronics move balancing the camera on a glass of water. Good morning. It is Catherine's birthday, so happy birthday, Catherine.
Any birthday either?
No, it's a special birthday. It's the one in May. Can't give away someone's age. But if you know Catherine's age, comment in the comments box below. We are here at the hotel, and you can choose between a buffet or Catherine's trick is by a la carte. It's normally cheaper and you'll get actually what you want rather than a buffet which is filled with stuff, but you won't eat all of it. So we got hash browns, 3 egg omelette, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, pancakes, and it worked out to be about $20 per breakfast plate, which is not bad. Alright, we're gonna eat. See you later. It's about to go for a swim, and I figured go get changed. Came into the toilets here. Why is there a hose? Like, what do you think that does with that? Like, do you squirt yourself? I don't really get it. Alright, made it to the pool, and there's no one here. It's about 3 o'clock, and it will be just me. There's a couple of people drinking, and these I think are all office blocks. That's the hotel. I hope they enjoy the view of me and going for a swim. Alright, let's check out the pool, and it is, oh gosh, pretty chilly, pretty slippery. Oh, it is real chilly. Hey, welcome to the Sofitel Damansara. I'm just cracking up because I'd like dived about 4 times to get that shot. Here I am in the pool. There's no one else here. It's pretty sweet, though it is kind of cloudy and not super hot. Anyways, it's a pool. And it looks like I finally have some people joining me at the pool. They're white people and they're wearing sun hats. The middle person looks like she's wearing a cowboy hat. It's Catherine Kenning. I'm so glad you guys made it before the thunderstorms. One thing I've been checking out is Malaysian health and safety. Check out these guys working at risk. They're like at heights, a little bit of scaffolding. They fall, man, they're gonna be ruined. Are you enjoying your 30th birthday?
As much as I deserve.
You cutie? You deserve the hat and everything. It's been a somewhat aggrieved day with the hotel. How are you all feeling?
I'm feeling fine, but if there was a Novotel, I'd be staying in it.
Here's a Novotel.
Some shit has gone down.
You need $1,000.
Lols, I do. Shit has hit the fan.
Anyways, we're now waiting for a grab so we can go to the night market. Hey guys, we've made it to the food market, Jalan Alor. So let's get some food, eh? And see what's about. Oh, there's a squadron of white people following me. So let's check it out. How you doing, Mrs. Kenning?
I'm okay.
We got some people getting sugarcane. Have you guys ever tried sugarcane? I've always felt like it tastes like sugar and grass. How is it?
That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. No.
Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Drinking Tiger out of a Carlsberg. Alright. Got some chicken skewers here from Hupkey. How's yours? I've got some chicken wings. They're pretty good way.
Yeah.
These guys, they got the beef How is it? Any good? With the beef? Yeah?
That's a 20 out of 10 for me.
What would you say to Malcolm?
Malcolm, you are a silly because you should have been here.
You could be eating, well, not chicken, but there's beef.
Yeah, and the rotis.
I feel like the same as I would if I was eating a crepe in front of the Eiffel Tower. It just seems quite
Thirsty?
cliche.
Oh yeah, but like, this is the local food.
Crepes in front of the Eiffel Tower are not as good as this.
How's the tiger?
I like the beer.
Nice. Alright. This has been pretty good. For this massive spread, it was $168. It's like 50 bucks. Nice. Just saying it was really good. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. Alright, let's get out of here.
But you can't think of it that way when you're still here for another 6 nights. Holy shit.